Hi everyone, continuing with our daily edit about the tortoises. We have a few mistakes that we need to correct, and our daily edit today reads an article in the journal Current Biology published in January 2012 announced a scientific study of 1,669 tortoises living on Isabella Island, one of the islands in the archipelago. Biologists took blood samples and compared the genetic code of these tortoises against a genetic database of all tortoise species. The results were quite surprising. 84 of the tortoises studied have one parent that is entirely of the C. elephantops species. Some of those parents may still be alive today, given that tortoises can live for more than 100 years. If scientists find them, they can start an breeding program to revive the species. So in line 1, we have two things that are wrong. The first thing is that the A should be an because it is followed by a word that starts with a vowel, and the vowel is A. So we use an instead of A. Current biology should be underlined because it is the name of an article. In line 2, I only have one mistake, and that is that January needs to be capitalized. In line 3, I have a couple of capitalization issues. Isabella Island is a specific place, and that should be capitalized. But archipelago does not need to be capitalized, and I think that's because it's like a certain area, and it includes different, it's not like specifically saying like Isabella Island or the Galapagos Islands. Line 4 has no mistakes, and neither does line 5. Line 6 has a couple of things. One of those being quite is spelled incorrectly. It should be Q-U-I-T-E. And 84 needs to have a hyphen in it. Line 7 has no mistakes. Line 8, we need to underline our scientific name of our tortoise species. Line 9, we have some a misspelled word, and we need a comma. We're going to put a comma after today, and then alive is misspelled. So it should be A-L-I-V-E. And we put the comma here because that is adding information about the tortoise. So, they could have just left it as that, but they wanted to let us know that tortoises can live to be 100 or older. In line 10, we need a comma after them. That's just because they are continuing, and they are saying, well, if it's like an introduction. So if scientists find them, and then we pause, they can start an breeding program. And our last mistake of today is the article and. It should just be A because the next word, which is breeding, is a consonant. It starts with a consonant B, and we do not need to have that article be an. So it should just be A. This concludes daily edit of today, and I will upload Thursdays tomorrow.